Welcome to a hidden treasure in Midtown. Located just 2 blocks from Edison Schools, this luxurious ranch-style home features 3 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, and over 2,700 square feet of living space with high-end updates and finishes, located on a half-acre corner lot. The main open living area features a spacious kitchen, perfect for cooking, hanging out with family, or entertaining guests. A gorgeous wall of windows floods the area with natural light, and the hardwood floors, built-in cabinets, and wood-burning fireplace provide for a modern, rustic luxury vibe that your friends and family are sure to ooh and ah over. The spacious backyard provides for poolside entertaining and plenty of space for yard games, pets, and outdoor living. Just inside the main entryway at the front of this home, you'll find a second open living area that has plenty of room for a second living or formal sitting area, as well as a stylish formal dining space. The luxurious master suite provides for a cozy retreat at the end of a long day, but still easily accommodates king-sized furniture. And the master bath continues the trend of high-end finishes and modern updates. The 2 guest rooms both share in the gorgeous hardwoods that are found throughout, and they share an updated extravagant guest bath with dual vanities. This truly one-of-a-kind home has received a total Pottery Barn renovation and provides first-class touches, yet still maintains a cozy home feel in desirable Midtown Tulsa. Don't miss out.
Hi, this is Sally Mulready. Thank you for viewing this remodeled Midtown home with high-end finishes. For more information or for a personal tour, please call me at 918-629-9897. Thank you.